Welcome to Conference Whispers, Smart Retail Tech Expo, Video Edition, also known as the White Label Retail Supply Chain and Logistics Expo, or the Smart Retail Tech, or the E-Commerce Packaging and Labeling and Com Business Live. That's a lot of conferences all in one. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors, LLC. TBW, Technical Business Whispers. The answer is always in the whispers. Subscribe today to get notified of future videos and analysis as soon as they become available. Conference Vibe. After 2 days of filming, some 400 minutes of content, 30 videos, and endless shorts forthcoming, over 30 fact checks, our coverage of this year's Smart Retail Tech Expo closes. The event is 5 events held at once, all together. White Label, Retail Supply Chain and Logistics Expo, Smart Retail Tech, E-Commerce Packaging and Labeling, and Com Business Live. With row after row of exhibits, the event was made whole by a balanced combination of talks and exhibits. Even better, there was 15 minutes in between talks so one could catch the exhibits. Furthermore, all theater schedules were once again aligned in the event you wanted to switch theaters as well. The short 2-day event packs a punch with 5 keynotes at each theater, each featuring 4 to 5 talks a day for a whopping 47 sessions. The first day was to be capped off by a presentation of presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy, but it was canceled due to security concerns. We captured 30 videos that will result in a lot of great shorts, so be sure to save the entire playlist of videos for Conference Whispers Smart Retail Tech Expo. We were able to capture the walkabouts for the entire conference at the grand opening. If you're wondering what was to eat, we have you covered with the food line and menus as well. Keynotes. The keynotes at the smaller event were quite impressive and featured talks from Google, AWS, Home Depot, Lenovo, and ASCM, the Association of Supply Chain Management, to name a few. Douglas Kent of ASCM shared top supply chain trends during his keynote. Jesus Sanchez from Google showed the many ways in which you can put Google AI to work for you in your retail solution. It's all about optimizing marketing expenses. He also shared an interesting statistic that 15% of all searches are unique. Amazon's Justin Hahnemann shared the ways in which AWS GenAI is being leveraged for innovation in retail and CPG. Phil Pench of DHL Ecommerce shared an interesting talk with a list of options for the end of the supply chain, particularly for those importing goods. Home Depot's Paul Gantz shared the ripple effect of failing a customer. He reminded all that you only get one chance to take care of the customer, that once the customer bought the product, you are handling their item, not yours, and it should be treated as such. Chewy's Deborah Das gave a detailed talk highlighting their complexities of inventory management in the context of corporate goals and customer satisfaction requirements. There are many people waiting to speak with this speaker following the talk. Kevin Lawton of the New Warehouse examined the question of doing fulfillment from the retail location versus a warehouse. Admittedly, this talk reminded me of a patent I was awarded as an IBM engineer on this exact topic during the heart of the .com era. Exhibits. While many of the exhibits focused on the white label portion of the show were captured in the walkabout, there was no tech for us to cover. Nonetheless, we discovered quite a bit of tech to capture. If you need to make a professional video to sell your wares or other services in getting your product to market, Newegg was on display with media, selling pilot, and marketplace. If you're not sure about the size of the object you're selling, vMeasure was on site. vMeasure leverages cameras, sensors, and scales with some great AI and ML models to provide the size of the object. If one is selling something in a store that is on display, retail media and management was there to share their digital sign and smart retail tags. One only needs to change the price online and all the price tags are automatically updated. They're reported to have a 5-year battery life. Admittedly, We know the days of batteries in such electronics is limited, as glass can now capture energy from thin air, as seen in our coverage at CES. Another digital sign company, Hangzhou, had smart menu kiosk on exhibit. This kiosk not only takes the order and payment, but coordinates the order to the kitchen staff. Limited staff but want to open a pizza joint? Pizzazz has an automated solution to make commercial pizzas that only requires one employee to run the shop. This exhibit also gave us flashbacks to the automatic stir fry we saw at CES Tech Magic. If you would like to bring home the bacon instead of serving it, Bacon Tech was on site with their staffing and employee management mobile application. If your retail business involves CBD, Argyle Payments was on hand to help you with your banking needs. To secure a retail space, many require video surveillance. LVT Video Surveillance, with their solar panel powered solution, complete with simple intelligence, was on the floor. This intelligence is leveraged to identify objects in the video and to notify as appropriate. Is your business looking for a warehouse space and will create 10 jobs or more? Global Site Location Industry collaborates with municipalities around the country. This collaboration allows Global Site Location Industries to offer their assistance for free. If your warehouse scanners or other mobile tech is missing or you need an extra, ASR Tech was on site and can fix anything. If you simply cannot find your products in your warehouse or want to monitor them through supply chain, Lingo Systems Passive RFID has a solution for you. RFID has come a long way with stickers at just 5 cents each. We also heard of serial fulfillment smart robots as they were to enhance the supply chain. SRSI shared their automated storage and retrieval technology available in all 50 states. In fact, SRSI handles all technology available within the 4 walls of the warehouse. Goods was on display to remind you to focus on your business with their integrated solution handling inventory management, order management, and warehouse management. As a conference about logistics, there are many logistics companies. Fellowship Logistics shared that they can reach 99% of the US in 2 days and 75% in 1 day. Meanwhile, X-Freight was sharing that they provide 100% online capabilities for their entire service logistics offering to 175 countries. CNC Logistics serves all continental US and Mexico and can move anything from a single pallet to an entire warehouse. There were vendors on display for technology for every aspect of your retail business. Shopline Intelligent offered a unified commerce platform. There's also a solution called iVision to automate customer loyalty. Admittedly, both solutions' intelligence is not yet fully realized compared to many of the technologies analyzed at the Adobe Summit or FinTech Meetup. Next year's conference. Smart Retail Tech Expo comes to Las Vegas every year. The next Smart Retail Tech Expo will occur April 16th and 17th, 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors, LLC. This has been Conference Whispers Smart Retail Tech Expo Video Edition. TBW, Technical Business Whispers. The answer is always in the whispers. Subscribe today. Have an amazing day.